Alright guys, so we have the Google Pixel 6a shooting some 4K at 60 frames per second. Kind of a cloudy, overcast day here. Sun peeks out at times. Let you guys hear the mic quality, see how the picture quality is. Broad daylight should be great. Most cameras in daylight like this, they do a great job. But also let you see how stable it is. I am walking on gravel. And they recently came around and added some more, I think. So let's walk a little bit, let you guys see how stable it is. And like I said, this gravel is fresh, so this is it. Kind of windy too, so you guys get a chance to see if you can pick up this wind here. If you look at that tree there, you can see it is blowing pretty good. So we may have some rain coming. There's some equipment back here. Now I'm walking in grass. So just a little footage from the Google Pixel 6a. Letting you guys see how this sounds and how it looks in daylight. Now I'm going to throw in some dark nighttime footage in here as well. Let you guys see how that look. The stream looks very visible out here. Like I said, the sun is not out completely, so this is what you're gonna get. Getting back on the gravel. Walking, and you guys can see how stable it is. Alright, I'm gonna flip the camera around and get some FaceTime. Alright guys, so this is the front facing camera on the Google Pixel 6a. And it's blowing out here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. This is what it's going to look like if you're outside. I have it about arm's length away, I guess. Something like that. Like I said, the sun is behind the trees right now, but this is what you're going to get as far as the front facing camera. What's up guys, this is Will H out by this little river area that I always come and check out my different devices. Got the Google Pixel 6a shooting 4K at 60. Walking this area here, letting you guys see how this look, how the mic sounds. Got a very sunny, beautiful day out here. And just getting some little footage for y'all so you can see how the Google Pixel 6a performs. That's my little Ranger right there. So we're gonna walk. It's about 91 degrees, about 98 with the feel like temperature. So this is the quality that you're gonna get. 4K, should look good in the daytime. The display is very easy to see. This is where a lot of people come and lunch. There are boats. And this is it. Got a guy down there getting ready to launch his now. And that is the name of it. Let's zoom. That is the name of it. Got trees out here, picnic, seats where you can sit. Things like that. Zoom in on this guy getting ready to put his boat in. So yeah, a little footage from the Google Pixel 6A. I'll include other footage as well. All right, guys, so I moved to a different part of this park area by the river over here. And we're gonna walk over here. Now, this is mostly shady area here. Look at this, man. I haven't seen one of these in years, and it still works. Looks pretty new, too, so maybe they put this out here for people to get water and not pass out in this heat. So I'm walking. Should be pretty stable. It looked like it is. I looked at the other footage I did earlier, and it was pretty stable. So this is where a lot of people come and fish. This is a branch. I don't know what it's called, off the main river. It goes back in there. A lot of times you can see the fish jumping out here. There it is. So if I was brave enough, I'd walk down there, but I'd probably fall, so slip. I'm trying to hold a phone at the same time, so. All right, so it's real shady back here. Here's a close-up of the bark on the tree. You guys see? And I'm gonna walk back to my truck. Okay, guys, so I'm out getting some footage at night with the Google Pixel 6A in this little shopping center. Everything's closed down. On my way home from work, and decided to get some footage here. It's about 12 o'clock at night, so there's the buffalo wings over there. I'll zoom in a little bit. And this is the quality that you're going to get at night from the Google Pixel 6A. Do a little walking, let you guys see how stable it is. Of course, this is asphalt, so it's not bumpy or anything. But there's my favorite store. Anyway, some footage from the Google Pixel 6A, shooting some 4K 60 at night. Zoom on the Geek Squad van over there.